Youth Arts Cafe is a project run by Arts Connection for young people aged 10 to 17 at the Crosskeys in Llanfyllin. It is an arts cafe, so we have artists there every week. So there's a range of activities, arts activities. They do a lot of drawing and painting and crafting. But recently we've been doing a lot of music workshops, and the young people have actually had the opportunity to learn piano. Some of them have picked up the ukulele and they've been really enjoying performing as well, which has been amazing to watch their confidence growing. So we do meet generally on a Thursday night, but we also do other activities. So today, for instance, we're at the workhouse in Llanfyllin and we've done a lovely activity day. We've had circus workshops, we've had graffiti workshops, and we've had sort of forest school and things going on, as well as pizza making. We've also been able to do a few trips as well. We took the kids bowling, we've taken them to jump in the trampoline park, and we're also going to Crosskeys Trail. So it's just a really great opportunity for the young people to try new things and to get to know each other a little better and develop friendships outside of school. Why did you come to Youth Cafe?
I come to Youth Cafe to see my friends and to have hot chocolate.
I come to Youth Cafe because it's really fun and there's always loads of things to do and it's always keeping you busy and there's a lot of people that you can talk to.
I come to Youth Cafe because it's like the best thing that I look forward to all week because I get to hang out with like some of my best friends.
Because it's really nice that you can see a whole mix of people, because most of the time kids around my age only see people in school, and I've made lots of friends here.
I probably enjoy the music lessons the best.
There's never really an activity that I didn't like.
My favourite thing about it is, well, I come in and I see Olivia and I laugh like there's no tomorrow.
She has amazing jokes. Amazing jokes. Why did the cookie go to the doctors? Start to crumble.
What new things have you been able to do?
I think I have learned quite a few new things, like making like lanterns out of willow.
I really liked when Barbara came and did the drawing of the abstract figures and things, expressing how you felt through colour.
I've probably enjoyed the most with doing felt work and keyboard.
If you were to describe Youth Cafe to a friend who was thinking about coming, what would you say to them?
I would say it's fun, you meet a lot of new people and you learn how to do a lot of activities and every time you come there's always something new to do, so it gives you an experience.
There's lots of nice people,
Yeah.
and there's cool activities.
I'll tell them that it's really fun and there's lots of people there so they can make new friends.
Youth Cafe is something that you'd want to go to, and instead of lying down on your bed watching stuff on your phone, you could be up on your feet and dancing around with your friends and having a laugh.
I think it's been a really valuable project to have going in Llanfyllin, especially because it is a rural area and it is cut off, so there isn't necessarily as many youth services available for the young people, and the amount of positive feedback I've had from the kids and had from the parents just kind of has let me know that it's had a really positive impact on their lives and their social lives especially, and they've really appreciated having somewhere safe that they can come to, and it's just really shown us how much this is actually needed for the young people in this community, and we really hope that we can keep it going.